let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate tango choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and then open promenade position. From here we dance open natural turn and we continue with back corte. Now we dance basic reverse turn in syncopated timing, then open telemark, which we finish in promenade position, and dance Fallaway promenade, which we finish in promenade position and dance closed promenade. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, then achieve promenade position, ready to move diagonally to center with open natural turn. Then we continue down line of dance with back corte. Now we continue in same direction with syncopated basic reverse turn. In same direction we start open telemark and finish diagonally to wall with Fallaway promenade, which we finish ready to move into corner with closed promenade. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.